Alright, we got all our ingredients. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Let's pick up the table. So I hope you guys had a great Good Friday and a good Easter.
Yes, happy Easter, guys. Ready, set, go! I hope you guys are watching Tiger King because I'm absolutely obsessed. I can do some great impressions, but that's for another time.
Do my channel.
Oh my god! No!
Let's do it again. Sorry, I forgot. Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Roy. I Slay Gains. I'm here today with...
I'm Joyce.
Hi, I'm Heather.
And today, what are we doing, you guys?
No, what are we doing?
We are making
cauliflower buffalo wings.
And guess what? It's vegan.
Just grab the cauliflower. Alright, you guys, so before you get started, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to chop the cauliflower up, just like this. Joyce is showing us a good demonstration, and then we'll pop them all in the bowl. So we really freshly washed ours.
And it's important to keep the shape too, so like she's cutting off the chunks, but then she's breaking it off as well, so that way it's like more solid, you don't have to dig it.
Yeah. Alright, so now that we have that chopped up, you guys, we're going to go and start mixing our ingredients in our glass bowl. Alright, so what are we putting in first?
First ingredient is a half cup of almond milk.
If
Okay.
you're not making it vegan, you can use regular milk, but obviously we're trying to avoid any kind of animal products in this.
Thank you, Heather. And a half cup of water. Laura is doing such a great job mixing.
Yeah, you're doing great, sweetie.
And then 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour.
Alright, so what is it that we're looking for in the consistency here?
Thick.
Thick consistency.
Yeah, because you want to like, this is what you're using to coat the cauliflower.
It is your batter.
Okay, so now we got some fresh red pepper. This is what helps make it a little spicy. So we've got 1 teaspoon of this. Okay, and next we have some cayenne.
Ooh, that smells spicy.
The cayenne's really gonna give it a little kick.
And how much are we using?
A teaspoon of each. So a teaspoon of the cayenne, teaspoon of the fresh red pepper. We're gonna do a teaspoon of the garlic salt. Just a quarter? Okay. I just really like garlic salt, so just a quarter of that.
Oh, it's definitely not
You
a
know,
quarter, baby.
you know when there's like directions that say like, 1 clove of garlic and you add 5? I think you just have to go from the heart.
Yeah.
And so only a quarter of the black pepper.
Okay.
You don't let the recipe tell you how much.
Yeah, we like the pepper. We're a peppery household. Yeah. Whatever that means, I don't know.
Okay, so we are going to mix this. Oh,
Have a
garlic.
sip of your drink.
Have garlic. We need garlic.
Not
Okay.
gonna add that at the end.
No, the butter.
Oh.
What we're going to do now is we are going to grab these.
So there's 2 ways you can do this. You can either grab the cauliflower florets and dip them into the batter and then put them on the pan. Or you could put the whole batter into your bowl of cauliflower florets.
And just like mix it up.
Mm-hmm.
The whole thing?
Yeah.
So sorry.
Oh,
I
okay.
promise I don't have to talk about it.
Don't ask me how I got into this video.
Alright, so the great thing is we already have our oven preheating to about...
400 degrees Fahrenheit.
That's right.
Joyce is a scientist if you didn't know.
It is. She's a marine biologist.
You're doing great. And you want to get all of that like deliciousness onto them.
Make sure you put them evenly spread out so they don't cook.
For a while ago. Ooh. Alright, let's take it to the oven. Right now, so it's looking...
Tomorrow I really should film that all. I have so many.
Alright, you guys. guys, it is made. You put everything in here. Start trying it out.
So good. I just need more hot sauce. But I like things really spicy, but that Frank's, what is it called? Frank's hot sauce? This could be like one of those ASMR videos where you're just eating. Let us know in the comments what you guys want us to do next. I think we should do a vegan Taco Bell mukbang, or whatever it's called.
Oh.
You know, like a mukbang, and that's where you sit and eat on camera. Because I perfected how to order from the Taco Bell menu vegan style.
That'd be a good idea.
Taco Bell's the easiest fast food place to order vegan. The great thing about vegan food is it doesn't have as many calories as non-vegan food, so you can eat more of it. It's gross. You look
Exterior,
Oh, that's right. I forgot to explain it.
but it is, you are able to just grab it with fingers, snack finger food.
It feels like a buffalo wing. Like the breaded out layerness.
Maybe you need to double bread it. I think that would make it better.
I think we need to rebake it just for the fact of
Coronavirus.
double bread it and bake it again to get that really crunchy exterior. But other than that, it does have a really good flavor to it. That buffalo sauce, so delicious.
Frank. Yeah, I have to get the Frank's hot sauce.
Frank's buffalo sauce. Now, as far as the tenderness of the cauliflower, it is tender, still a little crunch.
I like that. That way it's not like too mushy. Yeah, it's still perfect. But overall, it's actually pretty tasty.
Yeah,